Morning, folks. It's going to be a really quick video. Going to be planting some onion seed today. This is the Utah yellow sweet Spanish onion. I've got my seed starting pots out here. I've got my focus. All right. I've got my tags made up, and I'm going to show you how I do this. This is a 4-ounce bag of onion seeds. Inside this bag is about 26,000 seeds. I'm not going to plant every last one of them today. I am going to plant a bunch of them today. So we're going to take the bag, reach in, get a pinch of seeds, scatter them around in a pot. You're going to get a lot of them kind of grouped up. And these are all going to sprout together, which is fine. Probably be a couple of hundred seeds in each one, or 100 or so in each pot. Ooh, that's way too many. Move these over here. All right. So that's how you go about sowing the seeds in the pots. All right. Next thing you need to do is cover the seeds up. To do that, I'm going to use this cocoa coir. And I'm just going to kind of, man, it's cold out here. Just kind of do that. They don't need to be deep. They just need to be covered and kept moist. I'll probably speed this up to about 10 times normal speed until I get it done. And yes, March is a good month to be sowing onion seeds. Those onions are really good with chilly weather. However, you want a soil temperature that's somewhere around 60 to get these things to sprout. So I'll be putting them on heat mats in my hoop house shortly. I won't video that. I mean, it's just putting pots down in a hoop house. All right, last step, get our tags. Okay, everything's got a tag, it's ready to go. Now, these tags are real cheap. Pull one out here. These are really cheap little tags. I'll leave a link to them, an Amazon link. And they've got a rough side that you can write on, and a smooth side that you can apply a label to, or you can write on both sides. It really doesn't matter. But they're nice little tags. They do the job, and they're inexpensive. So anyway, that's that. Please like and subscribe, And I'll see you folks later.